Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today we are making Nigerian Party Egusi Soup. So for this recipe, I am using turkey and beef. First, I will add some chopped onions, some chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, some seasoning cubes, some salt, garlic powder, ginger powder, chicken seasoning. I will stir that nicely and allow to cook for about 10 minutes before adding water. Next, I'll cover with a lid and allow to cook for 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes, guys, my protein is pretty much cooked now. Next, I will transfer it to an air fryer to shallow fry a bit. These are all the ingredients for this recipe: half cup of palm oil, 1 long bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, some washed bitter leaf, some crayfish, 2 cups of melon seed, some dried bonga fish, and snail. Next, I will transfer the red bell pepper, long bell pepper, onions, and crayfish into a blender and blend until smooth. Next, I will transfer the melon seed into a blender, blend until smooth as well. In the pot, I will add half cup of palm oil, add some chopped onions, some locust beans. This is absolutely optional. I will add the pepper, onions, and crayfish mix. Next, I will leave that to cook for about 15 minutes until there is no liquid in it anymore. Next, I will add dried bonga fish and snail. Add some cooked shaki or cow tripe. Add the shallow fried turkey and beef. add 2 cups of turkey broth and 1 cup of water. I'll stir that nicely until we're combined. Next, I will scoop the blended egusi or melon into the pot. I'm not going to stir at this point. I'll cover the pot and allow to cook for 5 minutes before stirring, because I like to see lumps in my egusi soup. You know, I don't like it plain. I like to see, you know, little lumps in it. So next, I'll add some washed bitter leaf. Next, I'll add some seasoning cubes, some salt, you guys, I added grinded pepper, but for some reason my camera didn't record that part. Next, I'll add some chopped spinach. Just look at that. Look at that. That is Party Egusi Soup. Okay, so I allowed to cook for 3 minutes after adding the chopped spinach, and my egusi soup is ready. Gorgeous, absolutely delicious, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So you guys, how do you like your egusi soup? Do you prefer the frying method to the boiling method, or you prefer both? If you're an OG on this channel, you will know that I am a huge fan of boiling method, because I feel like the boiling method is healthier than the frying method. So let me know in the comment section, do you prefer the boiling method to the frying method? Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. Thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Bye.